So I would say this all started when I got my general contractor's license, and then I came across the concept of tiny homes. Tiny homes are growing in popularity because, minimalistic, sustainable, affordable. Well, today's a very important day. We were all here to help unload the modular home from the crane onto the pilings. One of the biggest challenges is it's our first one. So as a contractor that is installing the modular home, we're kind of learning what the process is. It feels great, but we're still not done. So I think there's still a lot to be, accomplished. The sustainability part with the construction, how I've incorporated it, I think that when we do remodels and renovations, we already have something, set. We don't have to necessarily build new homes and, you can say destroy more land, if you will. With this type of construction, it's smaller footprint. Why am I passionate about it? Because it incorporates sustainability and affordability. It's very important for people to know that there's other options than just, your 3-bed, 2-bath home in today's market. I graduated from FSW in 2015. I think being surrounded by great people and great influences like I had at FSW, then that's really important, You're never too young or too old to do something great. I would just say if you think about doing something, you can do it no matter what age, and I think FSW kind of shows that because they have so many people from so many backgrounds. FSW was like a great part of my life. I not only got the degree, read the books and everything, I also had the experience that I had through being part of the Student Government Association, and I met a lot of people. I realized the importance of not only the education, but also the networking. So I made a lot of great people that pretty much helped me, you can say, be the person I am today.